Hello guys, today we will solve the problem on constructors in Java. Our problem is overload a constructor used to initialize the cylinder of radius 3 and height 5 using custom parameters. So I'm gonna create a new file here. I'm creating a class cylinder. The attributes are radius and height, private int radius, private int height. Now I'm going to create a constructor public cylinder. Remember, constructor has a name same as that of class and it has no return value. Now I'm setting the values for radius and height. As mentioned in the question, the radius is 3 and the height is 5. So radius equal to 3 and height equal to 5. Close the bracket. Now I'm going to create a getter method to get the values of radius and height. Public int get radius. It will return radius. Close the bracket. Again getter method for height. Public int get height. It will return height. Close the bracket for class cylinder. Now I'm going to create public class let's say my constructor. Okay. Now I'm going to create an object for class cylinder. Cylinder. The object name will be my cylinder. cylinder equal to new cylinder. Okay. For printing the values of radius and height, I'm simply gonna shout like this: system dot out dot println my cylinder dot get radius. It will print the radius. Now shout my cylinder dot get height. It will print the height. Close the bracket 1 and again. No, that's it. Sorry guys, I forgot to create the main class here, main method here. So public static void main string earth. Okay, now this bracket is for main method and this is for class my constructor. Okay, now see, if I run this code, it will simply print the value for radius and height, that is 3 and 5. Okay, first I'll show you. Okay, now save it using Control S. Okay, my constructor. What is the spelling of constructor? Spelling must be same. Okay, Control S. And type Java source file and save. Okay, now Alt tab. I have saved it here, my constructor. Now hit CMD, enter Java C, my constructor, my constructor dot Java, enter. We have error. Okay, the spelling of private is wrong. Let me correct this. Again Control S. Again run the previous command. Spelling mistakes. I'm sorry guys. Again Control S. Run the previous command. Now we don't have any errors. See, the radius is 3 and the height is 5. But our problem is override a constructor. So again go to the code. Now I'm gonna make a same constructor as this but with different parameters, that is custom parameters. Okay, so let's make the constructor public cylinder. Now here I'm gonna give custom parameters int x comma int y. Okay, enter. Radius is equals to x and height is equals to y. Close the bracket. Now when I initialize a object here, I'm simply just gonna pass the parameters here. Let's say radius is 8 and height is 9. Okay, now save it, compile it. So here you can see the radius is 8 and the height is 9. This is our custom parameters. So in the code you can see these two constructors are of same name but different parameters. So this is constructor overriding. If I don't give any parameters here, this will run for the constructor with no arguments, the first constructor. You can see again I am saving it using Control S. Again I am compiling it. And see here the radius is 3 and the height is 5. But if I give parameters here 8, 9, again save it using Ctrl S, again compiling the code. The radius is 8 and the height is 9. So based on parameters, it is decided which constructor will run. Okay guys, I hope you understood. Thank you guys.